To log in Gmail on iPhone. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps on how to log into Gmail on iPhone. To log in into your Gmail account, you want to make sure to watch this video right till the end. First of all, you want to open up the settings on your iPhone. Moving on, then you want to scroll down and go to the mail section. When you are taken to the mail section, then you want to simply go ahead and click on this option as add account. As you click that, you want to then go ahead and select whether it's iCloud, Microsoft Exchange, or Google. Since we're going with Gmail, so click on Google. Then on the next field, you have to follow the prompt, that is, enter in your email address or phone number and click on the next button. As you've done it, so enter in your information, that is your password, and if you're sure about it, click on the next button. And with that being said, you've successfully add it or log into your Gmail on iPhone. Now you could go ahead and make sure to toggle a button for mail and click on the save button, and that is how it's done. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.